break, I can always we can always deal with it right after the break so we can get started. But yeah, if you have any issues, just let me know. All right, guys, Trilogy 5-boxer half case. It's going to be number 40. Let's roll through these team owners over here. We got Anaheim going to CBS. Arizona going to Jay. Boston going to Dash. Buffalo, Jeff O. Calgary, Shane Dog, a.k.a. Chunny Getting Funny. Carolina going to Connie Wetz. Chicago, Mark R. Avalanche Dash. Columbus Cam. Dallas Watts. City of Compton. Red Wings, Jeff O. Oilers, Steve O'Weevo. Florida, Scotty M. Kings, London. Wild, Connie Wetz. Montreal Bucks. Nash going to Watts. Devils, Watts. Isles, Jeff O. Range, Paulie G. from Staten Island. Flyers going to Watts. Pitt, Connie Wetz. Sharks, Jeff O. Tampa Bay, Nick C. Maple Leafs going to Jeff. Couve going to Tall and Dark. Getting nutty. We got Vegas going to Kenny. Capitals, Penzito. And Winnipeg, Felix the Cat. Thank you, Nikki D. Thank you, Nikki C. Appreciate it, bro. Yo. Hey, yo, Nikki. Nikki's showing up late tonight. He had a sit down with Caputo. Where is Caput, man? He's probably collecting gambling debts or something from people. Either that or having a meeting with the commission or something. That'd be crazy if I joke around like that. All of a sudden they show up at his house like, hey, yeah, we got some questions. I'm like, have him give me a call, bro. It's obvious it's a joke. 7. 2. 11 does not exist. 11 would have been a hot box. 8. 1. Pretty good mixture of boxes. 2. Not bad. We got 2 already. Yep. A little bit from each side. 7 we have. 2 we got. 8 we got. 2 and 8 is going to be a hot box. 4, my baseball jersey number. That was a good number for a long time. All right, guys, good luck. Here we go. Yeah, we got the NBA jerseys left. Jersey break. All right, guys, good luck, everybody. Here we go. Other half case will be tomorrow. We got Vitaly Abramov. We have MVP 2020-2021. And we have Synergy left. Half cases. Philippe Myers. That if they fill tonight, we will break it. Is that a sachet? I think it's a Fat Taste sachet. Ooh. Ooh, it's nice. Signature renditions. Zach Senshin. Rookie patch auto. Filthy patch. Number to 49, Ilya Mikheyev. Sick. Very nice. Congrats. I believe that's Jeff O, if I'm not mistaken. Rookie renditions, Mikheyev. We got Victor Olofsson, $9.99, level 1 rookie for the Buff. Renditions, Ryan Lindgren. Rookie renditions, jersey, Max Verono. Obviously related to Sonny and renditions, Tashir. Is it Tashir? We got blue, $3.99, Nico Sturm. Texier? It is Texier. That's how I always said it was Texier. I didn't know if that was correct. We got Libor Hayek. And Barrett Hayton, level 1 for the Yotes. That's how they announce it. That's how that's how the CBJ announcers call it. The TSN announcers might call it a little different. Let's go C's, said Nikki C from the Bronx, or from Staten Island. Nikki C runs as a capo in Staten Island. He's got a crew over there. We got rookie renditions, Nico Sturm. And Carson Kuhlman, $4.99, rookie jersey for the Boston Brew. Nothing. It must be right. I've been saying it that way for a long time, but I think I was watching a video and I'm like, oh, they're saying it totally different. And we got level 3, $2.99, Fabro. For Nash, level 3 action. Number to $2.99 for the Fab. The Fab and the Bro. Rookie renditions, Paling. Blazers got knocked out by LAK, huh? Ollie Wallstrom, level 1, $9.99 for NYI rookie. Rookie renditions, Victor Olofsson. We got $4.99 for Minnesota level 2, Nico Sturm. Sturminator, $4.99. We got Capo Caco. And the first auto, very nice. $2.49, Philip Zadina. For the Wings. Level 1 Zadina. Rendition rookie Elvis Merzlikins. We got a red $7.99 Ryan the Coof Koofner. Rookie renditions, Rudolph Balsers. We got a jersey, Anders Lee. We need some sachets going on here. Renditions, Riley Stillman and Cody Glass, $2.99, level 3. Cody G, level 3 for Vegas. Cody leveling up. We got rookie renditions, Rasmus Sandin. Here goes Vegas again. $3.99, rookie auto level 1, Jimmy Schultz. Who's got Vegas? We got red renditions. $7.99 Mikheyev. We got rookie renditions. Jack Hughes. And Kel McCarr, driving in my car, $4.99. Level 2 on the McCarr. Renditions. Ollie Wallstrom, NYI. And Texier, $1.99. Level 2 black. Nice hit for Columbus. Very nice. Nice hit for the CBJ. We got a light blue $3.99 Max Jones, Beyond Thunderdome. And we got rookie renditions, Trent Frederick for Boston. All right, good luck, guys. Philippe Myers renditions for the Fly. Rookie jersey $4.99, Gusev for the Devs. We got rookie renditions, Bluger, Teddy. And Rasmus Sandin, $9.99, level 1, TOR. No pucks yet, guys. Rookie renditions, Rem Pitlick. Rookie jersey, $4.99, Nico Sturm. The Sturminator. Rookie renditions, Libor Hayek. Cody Glass red renditions, $7.99, Vegas. We got another sachet. That is Ilya Mikheyev and another fatty. It's not Quinny, but still bulging out. Filthy sick. Rookie patch auto to 49 again. This time for the Couve, Zach McEwen. Beautiful patch. Yeah, that would have been dope for a Quinn. Was that you, Brandon? Yeah, it was. That's still nice, though, bro. But yeah, I hear ya. Should still not be too bad, actually, though. Ryan Lindgren. But yeah, that would have been a home run for sure. $4.99 rookie Teddy Bluger. Blugski. Have you? Yeah, I don't realize on my end sometimes unless someone's making me aware. You know what I mean? Like on my end, they're making me aware of it. Yeah, a few guys have definitely. LEU. Of course, a bunch of guys are always going to have a weekend here and there. It's pretty brutal. All right, good luck. Final box, everybody. Kel McCarr renditions. Oh, wow. We got blue, $3.99, Kel McCarr. No pucks yet. We got rendition Suzuki. Suzuki's got a hit right now. And $3.99 Teddy Bluger level 1 rookie auto for the Pens. Carson Kuhlman. Level 2. Renditions. Devs. Brandon Gignac. Wignac. Give a dog a bone. Rookie renditions. Cole Sherwood. Oh, wow. Fatty, sick, rookie, 3-color patch, Kirby Doc. Number to 49, that is going out to Mark R. Nice hit, Mark. We got Caden Fulcher. Joel Farabee, number to 999. Renditions, Guillaume Brisebois, Vancouver. And rookie renditions, red, $7.99, Guillaume Brisebois again. That is the first half, guys. We did not get one puck. Second half tomorrow, we should probably have pretty good amount of pucks, I would imagine. At least all the pucks that would be in that case, of course. Oh, Sluicide. What in the heck's going on? Been a while. All right, guys. Thank you so much. That's the end of Trill. Second half will be up tomorrow. And MVP and Synergy. Last 2 things left for the night. Thanks, guys.